recording a little late here. Um, Kind of flat at the moment. Did just create the first presented fair value gap. So we're going to drop down to the lower time frame to see if this price delivery holds. Pretty inefficient at the moment. Did just run these relative equal highs. So we'll take one off here. We'll just bring this in to cover commissions. So we have relative equal highs up here at this 930, 21, 930 level. We'd have to see a pretty swift delivery start to get there, I think. Pretty swift and strong one. So I want to watch the 1 minute here to see if this becomes an order block. Seeing some pretty inefficient delivery here. My assumption is due to lack of red and orange folder data, but I could be incorrect. We're really close to moving back into divergence here. So this current 1 minute candle is going to be pretty important. This one and the very next one. So this candle just took out this one's low. So we're seeing some pretty nasty delivery here. I don't think that we're necessarily going down. I think we might have just wanted to take that out. Let's adjust this. Order block forming here, but let's see what we have for sell side. There isn't a ton in terms of relative equal lows. There is sell side liquidity like down here and here, but it looks like it might be another one of those days where we're kind of stuck and then we see like fast movements. And we did just revisit this first presented fair value gap, so we want to see how we move from here. Okay, so let's move up to the 5 here and see what we have going on. Kind of a bunch of nothing. Come back to the 1. Oh, so we just revisited this fair value gap. The first presented fair value gap. Let me see if there's something going on. So this guy speaks today. But I don't think that would make. I don't think that's the reason for us trading the way we are right now. Got a few minutes before the 950 macro kicks in. I do think that it's possible the 10 o'clock macro might be more important today, but we'll see. Just want to drop back down here to see. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not really seeing much follow through, so quite possibly just nothing to use for a bit. Price might just be hanging out for a while. Yeah, remove that there. I think what's going to be most important for us is seeing what happens with this divergence between the indices. So let's see if we get some follow through here. 2 minutes out. So we do gotta stay nimble, but Possible order block right here on the 1 minute. Just want to see how this one trades. Okay, so missed that, but let's see how it holds because there still may be opportunity. So seemingly this is the most important right now. If this remains an order block, so let's go ahead and pull this off. The 5-second isn't it's not really helping at the moment. Okay. Oh wait, 950. Where was 950? This was 950 down here. I think this is going to be an order block here. I think this is going to be very explosive. We'll take it. So we just took out these relative equal highs. I expect this candle to start to push up aggressively. Still got to watch these because we have this divergence in here still. I just took out yesterday's high, but I think we did overnight already, so that doesn't matter too much. to see how this candle trades. Does it go straight up here or does it come down and stop us out? Okay. So it's just a bit nastier of a day.